Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ZALMAN Z10 DUO WHITE and M4 White PC cases. So friends, the Z10 DUO WHITE, a variant of the Z10 DUO introduced in October 2022, features the interchangeable front panels, a mesh for improved airflow, and a tempered glass for enhanced aesthetic. It includes a 120mm ARGB LED fan equipped with 4 infinity mirror position at 3 at the front and 1 at the rear. Specification for the Z10 DUO WHITE includes storage option with two 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch bays and two additional 2.5-inch bays. Cooling capabilities are extensive, accommodating up to 3 120mm or 2 140mm fans at the top and 3 120 or 140mm fans at the front, 2 120mm fans on the side, and option for the rear and bottom. The case support ATX, MicroATX and Mini-ITX motherboards, and friend the maximum length supported graphics cards, CPU cooler, and power supply units are 395, 173 and 200mm respectively. Concurrently, the M4 wide mini tower case was released, showcasing a two-tone white and black design with matched front panel and swing time tempered glass side panel. It comes with 4 120mm ARGB LED fans, 3 front and 1 rear. And front, the M4 wide provides one 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch bay, one exclusive 3.5-inch bay and two 2.5-inch bays. Cooling option include two 120mm fans at the top, two 140mm fans or 140 or 3 120mm fans at the front, and additional placement at the rear and bottom. And this case is compatible with MicroATX, Mini-ITX motherboard, and it supports maximum graphics card length of 320mm, CPU cooler height of 157mm, and power supply depth of 140mm. And friend, it is priced at approximately $148, and M4 White is priced at $80. So friend, if you like my video, and friend, if I talk about the pricing, the Z10 DUO WHITE is priced at approximately $148 and M4 White at about $80, both exclusively taxed and available from 22nd March. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.